Urgently, guys, the momentum of the bounce is faded. That's all for now, or the downward trend is continuing. Let me explain, guys, what's really going on. Bitcoin previously on the 4-hour time frame grabbed the liquidity below the support level at 60k right here by this movement. And you know this interesting fact, there was a bunch of liquidity below the support level because it was the lowest price of 2026. And by the way, Bitcoin recently updated the minimum and put another one on the support level at 59k. And now the price is trying to bounce after these false breakout of the support. How can we interpret the current bounce? It is a bounce or a reversal. So first of all, we got to realize what the current trend is. Now it is a downward trend because the lows right here, and right here, and the highs right here, and right here are decreasing. Keep it in mind, guys. This is the first reason why I interpret this bounce as a bounce, not as a reversal. On top of that, I see an interesting entry point at the resistance level at 62.5k because the price previously broke below the support level but hasn't touched this level as a resistance one, which increases the chance of a bounce back, of course, if the price hit this resistance area. Basically, my prediction is a continuation of a downward trend, and it is only a matter of time when Bitcoin will update the minimum of 59k, of course, in my opinion. So the first scenario, in my opinion, is a fall from the current price toward the support level of 59k. But the second scenario and entry point I see at the specific resistance area, resistance level at 62.5k for reasons as I said previously. In my opinion, the prediction can happen with the 80% probability. But what if not? So relying on trend, weakness, and so on, I say the prediction of a fall from the current price or of a fall from the resistance level at 62k. But because in my opinion, at the resistance level of 62.5k, the fate will be decided. With high probability, it will bounce back, but if not, it will be a signal which will mean that the swing trend, of a brief period of time has changed. At the end of the day, we may expect a little upward move toward the closest liquidity resistance area at 64.5k right here, if the price will be breaking above the resistance level, where smart money may at least grab the liquidity above this level, and after that the price may go up toward the resistance area, toward the next resistance area at 68.70k right here. And this is the second one entry point, which where I will be firing another short trade if something goes wrong here. And of course, if price hit this resistance area 68.70k, the price coming out of the oversold area, which and where the price is trading now on the daily time frame. So if this pullback happens, the price, in my opinion, of course, may easily go down again, update the brand new lowest price at 59k, which would mean a continuation of the downward trend. So overall, I want to emphasize my final take. In my opinion, with 80% probability, the price will be following from the current price or from the resistance level at 62.5k. But if something goes wrong at this specific resistance level, we have a spare plane and absolutely full understanding of the situation if something goes wrong, and price will be increasing toward the resistance area at 68.70k. So that was just my view, my take, not financial advice, guys. Thanks for watching. See you later. Thank you, guys. It was just my take and my opinion.